the extra ball back in. No, put her extra ball. Yeah, thank you. Yes, please. You can get one of these, two of those, basically. No.
Taking a picture tomorrow.
Oh, don't flatter yourself.
You did. You did, so.
I'm videoing. Did you stop doing that? Pretty. What?
It's the last order shot.
Mine and Caleb's bed. Oh, she's gave us another carton of orange juice. I love this woman. She's so nice.
I was in the bathroom.
Huh?
I was using the bathroom.
Yeah, I need to pee, but I'm going in here to...
Wait, if you want to hurry up.
Nice. So, this is the details of our accommodation for the weekend. We've booked into 140 Bond and it's like just up the road for the Pleasure Beach. It's like 2 minutes away. It's pretty reasonably priced as well. This wee folder has like everything in it, like she's given us like the Wi-Fi password and stuff like that. Also, if anybody is deciding on coming here, like whenever they decide to visit the Pleasure Beach, there is refilled tea and coffee every morning. The coffee that they use is the Kenko Smooth Stuff. Kenko Smooth Stuff. Decaffeinated coffee and tea are also available upon request. Whole milk is available upon request, but it's automatically semi-skimmed milk that you would get, and which is right there. It tells you how to work the shower. Obviously, if you're a wee bit on the crappy technical side, then you should probably already know how to use a shower.
That's right, just insult our viewers.
Yeah. You should technically be able... I mean, if you're going to book into a hotel, you're of age to know how a shower works. Toiletries, they replaced the hand soap and they replaced the shampoo, which is in the shower, and they do that daily. Every single room has got a hairdryer in it, which means you don't have to worry about bringing one.
Angry skyscraper sounds.
Yep. The rooms are cleaned on daily, and if you don't wish your room to be cleaned, then you put the do not disturb sign on the outside of the door. Towels will be changed, but you need to place them in the shower if you want them changed every day. They have a lounge and dining room downstairs, which residents are able to use. They've got books and DVDs. They've also got ironing facilities as well. So if it's a business trip and you're needing your suit or your shirt ironed, then that's perfect. They're also really, really, really positive in the recycling sense, which is really good. because it states here that the owner is desperately trying to avoid the use of plastic and to reduce the waste that goes into any landfills. She is unable to secure coffee or milk that is not in plastic sachets. Coffee is freshly replaced on a daily basis, as are cartons of milk. Toiletries are freshly refilled for your personal use. And she would be delighted if you could use the basket located at the top of the first staircase to discard plastic bottles and stuff. This is quite cool, like, because in this little folder that she'd given us yesterday, it's like information on like the Blackpool Resort Pass for Madame Tussauds in the Tower, and the water park, and also the pleasure beach, of course, which is the reason that we're here. It's just get information on all the different activities and stuff that you can do here. So if you're visiting and it isn't just for like a couple of days like us, like if you make it like an actual week-long holiday, you could probably fit a lot of this stuff into it, because we've done that in the past. That also includes the Sea Life Centre and the dungeons. The dungeons we've done, that was funny, wasn't it, Douglas?
What?
The dungeons.
Yeah, that was funny as well.
That was quite good. We obviously don't need to go for our train until, what time's the training? Sunday? It's like 4:50, isn't it?
It's 4:40, I think.
Yeah. So to kill time on the Sunday, we're going to go to the water park, and then we're going to get the train home. Get the hiccups. But yeah, all the information you need is in this wee folder, and she gives it to every single one of the guests the minute they arrive. So all the information's here. You get your own set of keys for the door, which means you can come and go whenever you want. The outside door gets locked at 11 o'clock, but obviously if you've got your own set of keys, then you can let yourself in and out whenever you want. Just going to take over here and actually show you what this is. Turn this on temporarily. Oh my god. So, fresh orange juice, and you obviously get like these Nature Valley crunchy things, the oats and honey. They're really, really nice, them. We also got croissant, but filled with chocolate, so that's going to be great for breakfast in the morning. There's also a banana. I ate the other banana last night because it was good for when I was sickly. I obviously have my own apples. And tea and coffee. These mugs are so cute. Like, look at these mugs. I want this mug. She's also given us these wee bag of Pop-Its with the raisins in them. There's 3 of them because obviously 3 of us. He's still laughing at me because I made a goof. That's not getting into this video, so you won't even have a clue what we're laughing at right now, but you will when we put the blooper reel in. And Caleb will probably kill me, but he's out cold. Zoom in. Zoom in. Too close, too close, too close. Look, he's got a hair lip. Right, no, that's not fair. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. I'll just go over here and then I'll do for a while. I think it's safe to say that today has taken its toll on everybody.
Yes, I am rather tired.
I'm loving these fucking paintings on the wall. Foxies! That's a foxy. Foxy, foxy.
That's a weasel.
Shut up. I'm videoing this for you viewers because I have this thing where whenever I get a nachos or a plate of nachos, I have to do this and just mash everything together. Everybody thinks it's disgusting. It's not a waste, I mean it.
That's a waste.
Everybody thinks it's disgusting, but this is just how I like it. And I've always liked it like this.
It's like turning chili heat wave Doritos into crust and then just pouring salsa on it.
It means I get every single flavour at the same time, and nobody's fighting over who gets what sour cream, who gets salsa.
Crumbs and yogurt.
It's nice. What did you say about Doritos?
It's like crushing Doritos and then pouring salsa on it. It's like crumbs and salsa, yogurt and crust. Waste.
But it tastes nice.
Waste.
He doesn't approve at all. But it's not a waste if I'm going to eat it.
So Nat's about to eat that lemon.
I can't help myself.
Go for it. Oh, just like it, eat it.
Leaving a flint. Right at the end
Spoke
now.
too soon.
Right at the end. Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside.
Crescent scene on the pictures.
I know. Going for a moonlight stroll, even though there's no moon in the sky.
I got what you were thinking about yesterday, but
One little lonely bucket.
You can put the sandcastle.
What?
Put the sandcastle.
It suits you, you gay boy.
It's for Dookie. I'm not gay, it's for Dookie.
Big whoop. Instant droppage. I'm not a whoop dog.
I have no interest in both.
he wants the Arabian goggles. Do you even know what that is?
No, but I'm pretty sure the viewers are going to know what that is.
10 viewers. What was that? So when one man drops his testicles on another man's face. Just right over his eyes.
Stop walking in front of the camera.
Hey, how's it going?
It's there for fun, that's why.
I'm trying to get a pan to the fucking sea though, and you keep walking in front of the camera.
I do.
And try to take a slow-mo action shot of the sea, and he keeps going.
See me.
See, if you had a cunty that I'd have laughed my arse off, because it's well deserved.
For the camera.
I do like to be beside the seaside. Oh, I do like to be beside the sea.
That's the favourite song.
A problem.
It's just like a street light.
It does, but that wee blip in the middle, right there, that's the moon.
We were just kind of far away from it. That was a bit of a retarded statement. Of course we're far away from it. It's the fucking moon. It's not like I'm going to be able to go around that corner and be like, oh, here it is.
Let me hug you. Are you made of cheese? Nope.
Oh, there goes my teeth. Nope.
No. Craters on the equator. Anybody that's sensitive to swear words really should avoid our channel.
Fuck yeah.
As much as it might be a family channel, the word fuck is also in the English dictionary, so if you're easily offended, then
Fuck yourself.
I say you go get some paracetamol and calm yourself down.
Go to the doctors and ask for a prescription of a thicker skin.
Yep.
Oh,
Or be like SpongeBob and buy an abrasive skin that you put on the top.
I have
Or
never
better yet,
fucking
just take
sworn in my life.
sandpaper to yourself. Do it for free.
Scrub yourself with some sandpaper.
Or get somebody else to chuck a lamp at you so they can say lighten the fuck up.
It's getting to the point when I'm going to become Victor or Jack and go, that's plenty.
Nice.
And then the following week you owe him £200, and then after that you owe him £300, and after that that's plenty, Jack.